We can't go, Ryan. We have a
We
6
can't.
o'clock newscast.
We have things to do, unfortunately.
That sounds like the perfect way to cool off, though, in this heat.
Yeah, it's another hot day, Alicia, and we're in this ongoing heat wave that's not going to let up anytime soon, unfortunately. It's that time of year, July, August, where it just remains very hot. And take a look at this. We have a lot of heat behind us, and right now, again, 102 is the current air temperature out the door. So if you're heading out this evening, just be careful. It's very dangerously hot outside. And then when you add in humidity, even worse. Now, take a look at this. Since yesterday, that was our 14th consecutive triple-digit day. We're at 102 today, which makes it the 15th consecutive day of triple-digit heat, which does tie 2013's record of 15 days in a row. So we're tied with second place currently for July 2023. First place was back in 1962, where they, or at least here in San Antonio, hit triple-digit heat 21 days in a row. And based on the forecast, it looks like we're going to be near that record by the end of this month, and especially by early August, which, by the way, is the hottest time of year. All right, right now it's 104 at Stinson, 102 at the airport, partly cloudy, southeast winds at 10 miles an hour. Here are the metro temperatures: 102 in the city, 104 at Calaveras Lake, and 105 at Castroville, Devine, and over at Moore down I-35. Zooming out, very similar heat. Hottest spots right now, I would say Del Rio's at 105 current air temperature, with the also addition of Devine, Moore, and areas down I-35. 104 at Pearsall. And here's the heat index, where if you are closer to the coast towards Corpus Christi and towards the beach, obviously the heat index is a little higher because the humidity is a little bit more. So the heat index in George West and Beeville up to 112. Very dangerous heat, which is why the Weather Service says a heat advisory in effect for tonight and for tomorrow as well. It has been extended through Sunday. So again, take breaks, drink plenty of water, find shade when you can, because this heat wave, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And is there any relief out there? Nothing at the moment. It's clear. But up farther north is a very weak boundary that's stalling out. And what that's going to do between the hours of 6 o'clock tonight and about 8 p.m., there may be a couple of isolated showers and an isolated storm. It'll be very brief, very quick. It won't last very long, but the chance is there, running at about 20 to 30%. And there's that boundary right there, north of I-10, north of San Antonio. Behind it, northerly winds, slightly drier air. It's not a very strong front, but what it offers is a lot of lift in the atmosphere. And when you have daytime heat, triple-digit heat, it helps produce at least the chance for a couple of isolated scattered showers through 7 and maybe through 8 o'clock, especially anywhere near Seguin, east of I-35, towards Gonzales and Hallettsville. As we lose the heat of the day, we cool off, if you can call it that, middle 80s by tomorrow morning. And then watch this, since that front will still be around tomorrow, it will offer up that another chance for some scattered showers by 3, 4, and 5 o'clock tomorrow. So the chance is there for tonight and tomorrow as well. Most will just see sunshine, highs near 100 to 102. But between about 3 and 7 p.m. tomorrow, the chance and opportunity at cashing in on some scattered, isolated rain to end off the weekend. Meantime, the high really is still in control. We're going to fast forward through Monday through Tuesday and Wednesday. It moves right overhead, which will shut down rain in the meantime. So not much significant change in the forecast. In the tropics and the Atlantic, we have Invest 95L. It's not a storm or a depression just yet, but it has a medium chance at doing so based on what forecast models are saying. It's going to move through the Caribbean islands near St. Lucia, probably by about, let's say, Tuesday or Wednesday, and then reemerge in the Caribbean Sea. We'll see what happens after that. Right now, forecast models aren't too keen and strong on developing it after that. All right, 7-day forecast, 102 tomorrow, 30% chance at isolated showers and storms, mainly after 3 p.m. because of that stalled frontal boundary. 102 Monday, 102 Wednesday, and 101 Thursday and Friday, with a smaller chance of rain next weekend. Meantime, Alicia, 30% chance of rain. That's the best we've seen in quite a while.
Yeah, we'll take that. Ryan, thank you very much.